Good afternoon, everyone. It's David here, and a couple of people wanted to see Silverbird hanging out with Dee-doh the Furby Connect. So today's shoutouts go to Spray Jester, Spray Starfish, Tux Camel 64, Lake Dutch HD, Isabel the Kitten, Squishy Blazer, Seed Catfish, Church Foxy 3623, Spruce Bunny, Smash Crafty 629, Play Jester 226, Cody Bennett, and the Furby Highland. So let's bring them up.
Dream about tonight. Dude, Dee-doh, yes, very yes. Whoa. What? No. Wait, yes, wait. No? Unai, I'm a fool idea. Unai went to Kawaii? It'll fight.
Dee-doh seems to like Phil.
Oh my god. I love it. Do we talk about everything?
And there you have it. That was Phil the bird hanging out with Dee-doh the Furby Connect. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, so yeah, bye.